Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a GUI interface using Python and Tkinter. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first of all we have to create a new project. So click on this file. Now click on new project. Then guys, here you can see first you have to type C drive, then user, then your file location. So here I have typed my computer name, then desktop, then my folder. So in my folder I'm going to type here. So in my folder there is one folder, so this folder name is GUI1. So guys, now you have to click on this icon, create, then click on this window. So guys, now it's done. Now guys, here first you have to type from, then Tkinter. So Tkinter is already downloaded in your computer. Then import. Then this star. Now guys, type here root is equal to tk. Now here you have to type root dot main loop. So guys, now it's done. So if you open this file, then guys, here you're gonna see this. So successfully you have created a GUI interface. So guys, now you have to give height and width to this GUI interface. Then here you have to type root dot geometry. So in geometry you have to type height and width. So guys, I'm going to type here 500, then x, then 200, then guys, here you can see now I have given this GUI interface a height and width. So guys, but this is here resizable, but I don't want to resize it. And then guys, for that you have to type here root dot resizable. Then guys, you have to type here false. Now if you open this, then this is not resizable. Here you can see. Now guys, if you want to give title to this interface, then you can use. Then guys, you have to type here root dot title, then your title. So I'm going to type here GUI. Then guys, you can see the title is changed. Now guys, if you want to put anything to this, like if you want to put text, then guys, first you have to type a name. So I'm going to type here LGUI. Then guys, after this you have to type here label. So then guys, here you can type text. So in the text you can put your text. So this is a GUI interface. So guys, now we have to pack this. So for that, you have to type GUI then dot pack. So guys, here you can tap. So guys, here you can put any name. So for example, you can put in label. Then here guys, you have to type label. This need to be same. So guys, now if you open this, then guys, here you can see this is a GUI interface. So guys, like this you can use this. So guys, now I'm going to show you how you can put background to this label. So guys, you have to type busy equal to then your background color. So for example, I'm going to type here red. Now guys, here you can see this is. Now you have to change this color, the text color. Then you have to type here FG. Then the color. So I'm going to type here white. So the color is changed. So guys, like this you can use the color. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more computer related video, then guys please subscribe to this channel and you also press the bell icon. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.